Hello everyone, this is Mansi from evidyati.in. Now we are starting with exercise 11.2. This is question number 1. So the question says the shape of the top surface of a table is a trapezium. So as we can see, this is a table और इसकी shape एक trapezium की तरह है. Now find its area. अब हमें इसका area find करना है. If its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter. अब अगर trapezium में है, so यहाँ पे ये है 1 मीटर का and this is 1.2 मीटर. ये उसका distance given है. So इसके आगे हमें given है and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. So perpendicular distance हो गया ये वाला, this is 0.8 meter. So we just have to find the area. सबसे पहले let's write down what is the area of trapezium. So area of trapezium का formula क्या होता है? 1/2 A plus B into H. You can also write it as You can also write it as A plus B upon 2 into H. So it is one of the same things. अब यहाँ पे देखते हैं जो हमारे पास है वो A हमारे पास है 1 meter, B हमारे पास है 1.2. Basically this is A, this one is B and this is the height. So this is H. Right? So let's put the values. This is 1/2. A हमारे पास क्या है 1 plus B is 1.2 into H is 0.8. Right? So this is 1/2 into 1 plus 1.2 will be 2.2 into 0.8. So इसको कट कर सकते हैं. 2 1s are 2. This is will be 1.1 into 0.8. So 0.8 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 1.1 से. 1 8s are 8, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 8, 8, 1 into 0, 0. So this is 8, 8, 0. दो डेसिमल यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे. This will become 0.88 and it is in meter. So this will be meter square. So area of trapezium is 0.88 meter square. So this was question number 1. Let's come to the next question now.